Hey, good morning, guys. I'm Chucho. What's up? What are you doing today? And this video is gonna talking about the last activity in this curve in grade 4 by my person and the Victor Hernandez. I'm gonna talking about what my plan at 3, right? Reading. Right. This May 24, I have a trip to Paris, to this city of the love. My third companion will be my mother, my father, my brother, with his wife and two children. Remember that city of the love is Paris. That is my family, and that is Paris. We have a tour for I with through different sections of Paris. So buses are through I also we underground throughout the country metro. When I am gonna talking about what we're gonna do in Paris, right? The first day we arrive in Paris for Bogota, then we turn off to the Reception Hotel where we can rest in something. On the second day they will be taken to visit Paris on the Royal Metro. On the third day they will take us to the Louvre Museum. On this fourth day we're gonna to the Cathedral of Notre Dame, where the movie of the Hunchback of the Notre Dame was recorded. Remember that movie? The movie is for children, and the movie was recorded for Disney Company, right? On the fifth day, we're gonna to the eighth tower. On the sixth day, we're gonna to Sunday and see pray where we can have a good time. And on this seventh day will be have a small day which and the night will be on the airport. That is Paris. The if sorry, obviously it's Paris, but that picture is about the Eiffel Tower. That picture is representing the Louvre Museum, and that is the Cathedral of Notre Dame. Well, the tour gives you off breakfast, lunch, and very tired food. Also, if you want to buy something different, go on your own. Tour per person cost 12 million per person, and for Chile it costs 9 million per child, for a total of the 78 million for all, and we have 10 million more to spend in the city of the love. Nice Paris. Without doubt, one of the things that nobody to miss on her visit to Paris is a visit to the Eiffel Tower. Key delight will you get take the elevator for the second floor or to the tall view between the 1887 and 1889. The tower rise more than 3,000 meters. You will learn about the history with neighbors and the panoramic views of the city at your feet. Thank you for everything. Thank you guys for everything. I hope that you pass that material. And feel great for you. Thank you, teacher, for everything. God bless you. See you soon.